One of the first steps in the morning that you will do for your symptom checker is to take your temperature. For families who do not have a thermometer in their home, we have the ability to provide you with a thermometer that you can pick up when you drop your forms off next Wednesday. To use this thermometer, you're going to push the on button, and the thermometer is going to read LO or low. That's fine. Then place the thermometer in the mouth underneath the tongue, and the lips then should be closed, just like this. You will wait for the thermometer to beep. At that point, it's ready to be read, and it will be in Fahrenheit, so 98.6, and then you'll need to clean that thermometer, place it back in the case, and answer the question on the symptom screener. One thing I really want to stress is the importance of doing that self-screener and being honest about answering the questions. I take my temperature every day. I take my temperature to monitor my own health, but also to protect the health of everyone I work with during the school day. It's important that you do the same thing for each and every family member. The app will be simple to use. I just ask that please be honest and accurate. If you forget, you're going to get a reminder email or text. If you still don't do it when your child comes to school, we'll be pulling them out of class, taking their temperature, and giving you a call to run through the symptom checker. As you can imagine, it kind of defeats the purpose of doing it before you get on the bus and enter the building. So in order to keep our whole community safe, and we're all in, let's do the symptom checker. Don't come to school when you have symptoms. And as a district, we will support you by helping you do some of that learning at home that day. Thank you.